How to create a solar design in AutoCAD. Welcome to our tutorial on using the WebSolar AutoCAD plugin. Before you start, first, create your solar design in the WebSolar web application. Steps in AutoCAD. 1. Open AutoCAD. Start the AutoCAD application. 2. Load the plugin. Use the command webload to load the WebSolar plugin. 3. Sign in. The first time you open the plugin, you'll need to sign in to WebSolar. 4. Access your projects. Once signed in, you'll see your projects. 5. Synchronize your project. Click the Synchronize Project button. 6. Wait for synchronization. Allow the project to synchronize with your drawing. Final steps. Congratulations! You've successfully created a solar design in AutoCAD. Now, review your 3D roof models, solar panel layouts, and strings.